Hi, I am Kenny Segan. This is an etching I did in 1976 when I was a junior at Southern Illinois University at Carbondale, Illinois. I was an art major. I got a BA in printmaking with a minor in drawing the following year. It's one of two etchings I did that year with the George Washington Bridge in it. And the other etching is called, it was my bicentennial homage to the American independence, 1776, 1976. And the other etching, the bridge is seen with a span very similar to this, horizontal with the kind of bridge road in the center and the vertical span on the right side. This one just has the like one of the kind of ends of the bridge, so to speak, either the New Jersey side or the New York side. The bridge and foliage fantasy here. The foliage I drew actually on site at this lake right by the college campus, on the college campus grounds of all this foliage. And then you'll notice it's kind of, there's a figure here, if you squint your eyes and put your imagination cap on. Like a figure of a woman as if covered entirely with foliage. Think of like certain kinds of Renaissance paintings, for example, where they have people that are made out of bowls of fruit and vegetables and things of this sort. So here we have this figure. Her head would be here, her chest here, her stomach here, pupil here, and like seated like on her knees. There's one knee there and another knee there. Her back would be over here. It's kind of like a three-quarter view. Kind of more tree branches here, more kind of fanciful bridge work here. This is actually another bridge in New York, although I forget which one it is, like the, I don't know, Kosciuszko or East River or something or other. Anyway, that's the story. It was a very popular work when I did it. And that's it. It is May 31st, 2012.